Oh my God. Good morning. How are we doing? How you guys doing? It's not so much of a beautiful morning because it's raining. I think I'm done with this raining bad weather thing, you know. But hey, there's only so much we can control, right? I have here some, what's the name? Glitters. Must be from the kids thingy. Yeah, you guys, I just woke up. I need a shower, so don't mind my face. Yeah, you know how we roll, right? Okay. So basically, we're just gonna stay at home. We just been out of lockdown, which is a good thing. And yeah, we're just gonna chill here with the kids. I've been noticed, I don't know if you're gonna see it, but look, my eye. Oh, look, did you see that? Again, my eye has been glitching. I don't know why. I actually have to go or maybe ring my optician to find out what's going on. But a few years back, I had a nerve. I think it was on this side though. One of my nerves stopped working and it led to my eye not opening. I mean, this whole side of my face was literally not working. When I was smiling, I would smile like this. Exactly. So, and it's glitching. No, you guys have an idea what I'm trying to say. And it's doing that quite often. I think you saw that, right? Right now it's not doing anymore, but it does that from time to time. And I think it's about time I ring my opticians. Well, let's get this video started, shall we? Shall we? Okay. Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
That's all you're able to do. Say something. What is your name?
I'm 2.
No, your name, not your age.
5.
No, you're not 5. No, you're not 5.
I'm 2.
No, you're not. Rice is done. Working on soup. Kids that just for fed. Yeah, all this just for meal prep. So you guys, I need parsley. This is parsley. This is coriander. This is how I keep herbs. Coriander, parsley. So I need parsley. Guys, let me just mention that both of the herbs I keep in water. I need to buy recipients to replace the glasses I'm using. But yeah, this is what I usually top up. Well, yeah, it was about that. It's been like 4 days and it's now here. But yeah, it keeps the herbs for about 2 weeks. Yep, and then have to buy new ones. We actually overdone. Turn this down immediately. Okay. This is off. Okay. Smells so good, you guys. Okay. Now we're gonna blend, but maybe later on. I'm gonna start with this. Is now boiling. Gonna add some salt to it, and we're gonna go in with the carrots. I'm just gonna steam or boil some vegetables so I can eat with the fish or the chicken. Okay, well, it looks like someone was cooking and left behind her tools. All right, so I'm gonna let the carrots and the eggs to cook, and then I'm gonna go in with the cabbage and the broccolis, and that's it. Oh, you guys, in case you was wondering, the rice is to go with the beans, so the kids can eat the beans. This is the beans and that rice. I think I'm eating fish, so this is what it is for me. Yeah, I'm trying to put them a little exact on, and yeah, almost there. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Yep, very bland, but hey, I could easily rice, but I'm trying not to, even though the rice is delicious. Let's just keep, I'm not gonna even eat all this. I'm going halfways and the rest I'm gonna store in the fridge. Kaylani, come please.
Fine.
Kayao. Kaylani, come please.
Okay. Sorry, mommy.
Why?
I'm testing.
Why are you saying sorry for?
Small piece. So, jump.
Kayao.
Daddy, jump.
Kayao, what did you do?
Oh, no. No. Sorry, mommy.
Huh?
I'm sorry, mommy.
What for? What are you sorry for?
Sorry, mommy.
What did you do? Can you look at me?
What?
What did you do?
I know.
Kaylani, show me what you've done.
No. Finish,
Uh-oh, this
mommy.
cannot be good. Oh my God. This is what happened. Yeah. I see. I see. What's the apologies about? Why did you do that? Kaylani, why did you guys do that? Why did you guys do that? Huh?
See, that is my force.
Why did you guys make your bedroom so messy? Why? Why did you mess up your bedroom this bad? Look at the state of it. Look at the state of this. Why is this bedroom in this state?
Okay.
Kaya, why did you have to take all the beddings off the bed? Why did you have to take off the beddings off the bed?
I know. Pick up some jump.
Because you wanted to jump.
Yeah.
You too, Kaylani.
Yeah, I'll jump too. Ah! Oh, sorry. Go!
So you are accomplice.
Okay.
Be careful, please.
Nanny, you go.
So who's gonna make the bed? Who's gonna put everything back together?
Kaya.
You are?
No, Nanny.
You are? You better, because mommy ain't gonna do it.
No! it. No, not do
This is very naughty what you just done.
it. No.
Very, very naughty. You don't do these things.
No, let's go, boy. No, not do it. Pick up some new Buddhas. I'm a Daddy.
This is the type of thing, you guys, that they don't tell you about it. Your parents, your ancestors, the books. You come to find out on your own. This is the type of thing they don't tell you about it. How would I ever know?
Put the box. 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 Now, okay. Is it put here? Is it put here?
So you guys, I'm just sitting here on the window watching the rain, and I just realized that I often forget to close my vlogs. It's not because I mean it. I don't mean it, guys. It's just that sometimes I feel like I'm not done with the vlogs and I will carry on the next day, and sometimes it doesn't happen. You know, when you have children, things doesn't always go according to the plan. I just want you guys to know that I am not by any means ignoring you or not grateful for you guys. Oh, this is getting worse. But yeah, I just want to say that. And yeah, let's close this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this day. I mean, it hasn't been much happening lately, but yeah, I'll try to create better content for you guys, okay? All right, in the meantime, follow me on Instagram. I am back slowly and steady. I'm getting back at it. And yeah, just recently made an ad on my Instagram. Oh, it did it again. It did it again. Should we see if it's gonna do it again? Okay. Yeah, I recently did an ad, which has been a while since I last done an ad on Instagram. I'm going to try to, each time I do an ad with someone, ask for discount codes for you guys, just because of all the support you've been giving me and etc. And don't forget to buy my jewelry, you guys. I mean, it's Christmas, I know. For some of you, this news might be coming a little bit late for you to order yours, but I totally understand. But there's always other special occasions like Easter, Valentine's Day, birthdays. If you want something meaningful that will last a while and kind of has equity, can I say that? Kind of has equity towards it. Like if something ever happened to you and you need to raise some money, you can always rely on jewelry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and press the like button if you can. Comment down below, always replying. So subscribe and press the bell icon next to subscribe so you don't miss a video. Okay, until the next video.